Welcome to our channel. If you're encountering Nike error code 98D2586B, don't worry, you're not alone. This error can occur due to a variety of reasons, from network issues to account problems. In this video, we'll walk you through some quick steps to fix this error and get you back to shopping or browsing on Nike's platform. 1. Check your internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can often trigger error codes like 98D2586B. Solution: ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolves. 2. Restart the app or browser. Sometimes, the issue may be due to a temporary glitch in the app or website. Solution: close and reopen the Nike app or refresh the Nike website in your browser. Try accessing the site again after restarting. 3. Clear app cache. Mobile cache data in the Nike app could be causing the error. Solution: Android. Go to Settings, Apps, Nike. Tap Storage and then Clear Cache. Open the app again and check if the error is fixed. Solution: iOS. On iOS, there's no direct cache clearing, so try restarting your device or reinstalling the app. 4. Log out and log back in. Sometimes, logging out and logging back into your Nike account can resolve authentication-related errors. Solution: log out of the Nike app or website, wait for a few seconds, and log back in. Try using the app again to see if the error persists. 5. Update the app. Running an outdated version of the Nike app could cause errors like 98D2586B. Solution: go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, and check for any available updates. Install the update and try again. 6. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it may be blocking Nike's servers and causing this error. Solution: disable any VPN or proxy services you might be using and try accessing the Nike app or website again. 7. Try a different device or browser. If the error persists, it might be a device-specific issue. Solution: try using a different device or web browser, such as switching from Chrome to Safari, to access Nike. 8. Check Nike's server status. It's possible that Nike's servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. Solution: visit Nike's official social media pages or sites like Down Detector to see if others are reporting similar issues. If Nike is experiencing server outages, you'll need to wait for them to resolve it. 9. Contact Nike support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, the problem may be account-specific or related to a technical glitch on Nike's end. Solution: reach out to Nike customer support through their website or app for assistance. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the error code 98D2586B. These fixes should address the most common causes, and if the issue is related to Nike's servers or your account, their support team will be able to help. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and tech solutions.